I'll guide you through the exact steps to recover your 1xBet account without breaking a sweat. If you're ready to reclaim your account, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Being locked out of your account feels like losing your money twice. Whether you forgot your password, lost your ID, or got hit with a blocked message, we're going to get you back in right now. If you just forgot your password, the fix is built right into the 1xBet app. Tap the login, then select Forgot your password. Choose between by phone or by email. If you choose phone, enter your link number to receive a reset code via SMS. If you choose email, enter your registered address to receive a secure reset link. Follow the instructions, set a strong new password, and you're back in. Often, users lose the 9-digit numeric ID assigned at registration. You can actually log in using your registered email address or phone number instead of that ID number. Search your email for keywords like 1xBet registration or successful deposit. These automated emails always include your ID number in the header or body text. If you've lost your password, just reset it using your phone or email. If you can't remember your ID, try logging in with your email address instead. And if your account is blocked, you'll need to message the security team. They usually get back to you within 72 hours. Instead, email the security department at security-en@1xbet-team.com. Include your account ID, a photo of your national ID or passport, and explain exactly what happened. Once your identity is confirmed, the security block is lifted, and you gain full access to all platform features, including the ability to process withdrawals. If you've lost your password, just reset it using your phone or email. If you can't remember your ID, try logging in with your email address instead. And if your account is blocked, you'll need to message the security team. They usually get back to you within 72 hours. Which recovery method worked for you? Let me know in the comments. Click this card for a curation of our best sports betting video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.